Welcome to Cathy's Eclectic Garden in Northwest Ohio, Zone 6A. Today, we're going to talk about chickadees. There are only 7 species of chickadees and they all live in North America. 3 types can be spotted in Ohio, where I live. Black-capped boreal more in the north and Carolina more in the south. This is Peanut. He was our first chickadee spotted in the winter during a snowstorm. This began our journey of attracting songbirds to our yard. Peanut, who is a black-capped chickadee, was very friendly and would fly down to greet me when I entered the yard. At the end of this video, there are clips of Peanut eating from my hand. Black-capped chickadees have big round heads and tiny little bodies and are very similar to Carolina chickadees. They are 5 to 6 inches long, weighing about a half an ounce, with a wingspan of 6 to 8 inches. They do not migrate and can be seen in the northern U.S. and Canada year-round. Suet, sunflower seeds, peanuts, or peanut butter will attract these cute little birds to your yard. They are often the first birds to spot the new feeders. They also love insects and especially like mosquitoes. Peanut would often warn me with a chickadee-dee-dee call if there was danger in the area. Think cats or hawks. Black-capped chickadees have a distinctive flight pattern. They have rapid wing beats and move slightly up and down during flight, making them easy to identify. Black-capped chickadees often nest in old woodpecker nests or make their own cavity in rotten branches. They will also use nest boxes, especially if you fill them with wood shavings. The nest is built by both the male and the female. Then the female lines it with moss and other soft material such as fur. They can lay a large clutch of up to 13 eggs, which take about 2 weeks to hatch and another 2 weeks for the young to fledge. To survive the cold winter months, chickadees cache food, roost in cavities, and lower their body temperature to save energy. They have an insatiable appetite due to their high body temperature and need to consume their own body weight in food each day. Black-capped chickadees have amazing brains. Each year they let old brain neurons die to lose old information they don't need anymore and replace it with new neurons and information. Although I have several bird baths in my yard, this chickadee preferred the water reservoir on top of the hummingbird feeder. Peanuts seem to be a favorite food source for black-capped chickadees, but they also frequent seed cakes and feeders containing seed mixes. My husband was able to get a video of me feeding Peanut from my hand. I often fed him black oil sunflower seeds and peanuts by hand as he followed me around the yard. I was also able to capture close-up video with a GoPro camera strapped to my arm. Hope you enjoyed this video and will try to attract chickadees to your yard too. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.